Here's a little update on the painting. The lowers are coming along. The door, so it's making some progress. Got all the carpet off. That was a chore and a half. Those staples are really hard to get off. Anyway, I got all the staples off and we're gonna rebuild the top here. Now the height is different. Now the carpet is off. When the carpet is on there, it's flush. So now I'm going to cut a new piece of wood so I don't have to, or I'm not going to recarpet it. I'll replace replace this with a thicker piece so it lines up with here, because I'm not going to carpet it. We're just going to paint it. And yeah, so I took all that carpet off for nothing. Could have just lifted it off and cut a new piece of plywood, which I'm going to do anyway. The water tank is down there, runs the whole length under the table. So that's where the water tank is, and that's why it's raised underneath the table, is because it's covering the water tank. And that's our progress now, making it worse before we make it better. Anyway, that's today's update. Thanks.